Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Gemini AI on your Android device. If you are an Android device user and you'd like to get started and use Gemini AI, then the process is quite easy. So let's jump into the video right away. Step 1. Visit the official website for Gemini AI. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your Android device. I'm just going to open up the Google Chrome app. Go to the URL box and type in gemini.google.com and search. Once you make a search for it, you will then end up in the official site for Gemini. Step 2. Sign up for Gemini AI. To sign up or create an account for Gemini AI, you will just need to have a Google account. Tap on the Sign In button at the top right-hand corner of the main homepage. You will now be prompted to enter your Google account's email or phone number. If you don't have a Google account yet, tap on the Create Account button and select whether you'd like to create a Google account for personal use, for your child, or for your business. Simply choose one of the options from the display and follow through the registration process. After you create a Google account, you can sign into it. If you have a Google account already, type in your email or phone number in the text box. Now tap on Next. On the next page, it'll prompt you to enter your password. Type in your Google account's password. After typing down your password, tap Next, and you will then be able to get inside your Gemini AI account. Now explore the interface for your account shown in the screen. Gemini AI empowers you to create stunning visuals and explore generative art. Simply go ahead and enter a prompt in the text box. You can type in any prompts you'd like and then send your command to receive possible answers or queries from Gemini AI. Step 3. Change security settings. From the main homepage of Gemini AI, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Now, you will be able to see all of your recent history and queries, help option, activity and settings option. Tap the settings button in order to open up the settings interface. Here, you will be able to get access to your public links, sync, change your theme, allow real-time responses option, and also use and install the Gemini extension on your browser. To change your security settings, you will need to go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. Now you will be able to manage your Google account from this interface. Simply tap on Manage Google Account and you can go ahead and adjust your Google account settings by selecting from the top of the screen. To edit your security settings, tap on Security option from the top. Now you can go ahead and change your security settings from the page. Step 4. Log out of Gemini AI. If you want to log out of Gemini AI, the first thing you'll need is to log out of your Google account. Go to the upper right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture, and then click on Sign Out of All Accounts button at the bottom. Wait until the sign out process is completed and it will then redirect you to this page. If you ever want to log in back again to your Gemini AI account, select your username from this page or simply enter your Google account's credentials. So that was how you can get started and use Gemini AI on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.